Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace your wiper blades on a 2011 Honda CRV. The process is the same for both sides, so I'm just going to show you how to do this side, and you can do it in a matter of seconds. So all you do is just raise up your wiper blade arm here, and you can see this little tab right here. You just push it on that with your thumb and just pull down on the wiper blade assembly, and it comes right out. And then you get your new wiper blade, and you want to take this end and just slide it up in there until you hear it click, and it's seated on there, and you're good to go. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.